Let's see how to send GIF in Instagram. If you want to send a GIF in direct message, just go to your Instagram, tap on direct message, go to a chat or conversation. From the chat, tap on this sticker icon. Here select GIF. Now from here you can easily send any GIF to the direct message. You can use the search GIF box to find out a specific category GIF to send. And now let's see how to send a GIF in Instagram story. Go to your Instagram, tap on the plus icon, select story, tap on this sticker and select GIF. And now from here you can easily search for a GIF that you want to add to your story. Let's add this GIF for example, and you can pinch to make the GIF bigger. Now just tap on your story to publish. And now let's see how to add a GIF to Instagram comment. To do that, must need to update your Instagram app to the latest version. Now just go to your Instagram and find out the comment post where you want to add a GIF comment. And here tap on the sticker icon, select GIF, and now you can select any GIF to post as your comment, just like this.